Here we go. Latest arrival into the Smith workshop. February 53 Smoothgate. German-built truck. Ended up in Canada all of its life. Down to California before it was sold. Then ended up in Germany for the last couple of years. I've been following this truck since it was found. Richard Hausman was the custodian before Ian. Yeah, love this truck. Patina, original paint, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful. Underneath all of this rusty looking stuff, there's a lot of original paints, which we will have a go at taking off. I mean, it's just the most beautiful truck. Going to keep all of this original paint where we can. I'll just do a little walk around so you can see it all now. Right, here you go. Beautiful. Original paint, all original panels, and like proper original panels as well. I love all the geeky early stuff, like, hopefully you can see that, body stamp numbers on the doors. It's the same on the door tops in the back. Really beautiful, simple dash. Few cool little reminders what everything is, like the don't know light. I mean, this is 73 years old now, and it is just phenomenal, the condition of this, apart from the badge. Well, most of the condition of it. And we get under here. We've got our work cut out with this. We thought the chassis was really good, but closer inspection, it's blown pretty bad. It's not bad, but we're going to have to do quite a bit of chassis repair, possibly put it on the jig. Feels like the front's wilted a little bit because we've got bigger gaps, top to bottom. So we just get it on the jig, square it all up, build the chassis, and then work our way around. It's got a later tailgate on it, but we've got an original dove blue one as well. And then, as I was saying about this paint, underneath, a lot of the rust, like we just had a really quick polish up and it comes back through original paint. So we're not going to be on this full time, but we've got pretty good plans for this and next year. Yeah, love it. In my eyes, it doesn't get much better than this. Beautiful. Gearbox out. Time for spring plates and lever arm shocks. I mean, these have been in here since day one. There you go. Out we go. Make sure everything's labelled so you know where it's all going to go on the way back. So these lever arm shocks, will send them off to get completely rebuilt with new seals. We're keeping all the hardware bolts. So we've got a load of Camax 70mm headed stuff. So we'll get all them replated in black. Yeah. Let's keep going. Easy.
Got the Smoothgate on the jig last night. As we were leaving, we noticed some sign writing down the side of the gates.
And now we're just trying to work out what it says. I could do this all day, every day. I love this part.
Honestly.
And I can't believe we've had it here this long and not noticed it. So we've got Transocean.
Something, we reckon it could be company.
So we've just got a bit of thinners and scotch here. This is just a really quick knock-off just to try and get some of these letters back. It looks like underneath it's been hit with a grind. Oh, there's more underneath it. Oh, look at, it's got shadowing on it.
When we're looking.
Under that A, can you see that? That's a
You
shadow,
can
isn't it?
You can see, if I slow down, where it's been brush painted on top of it. Different techniques for taking off old paint. It's easy. The best thing to do is to start somewhere inconspicuous. We started down here to see how thinners react to it. Oven cleaner's been a good one before.
I've also found a spray paint stripper, which is amazing. Transocean Machine Company.
This stuff is the stuff that we get on really well. He gets on really well with. It's all about patience. Matt can sit there all day long and just scrape paint.
This isn't your bag at all, is it, Bob?
No, I mean I love it, but I want results quicker. Oh my days.
Oh yeah.
Transocean Machine Company.
And
Let's get Googling.
There's something else, but past it there.
It's got to be limited. Something like that.
Yeah. Right, so this A, look how great this A is looking. Or is that another one underneath it?
Another A, like it was written before in black.
No, that's definitely. Right, I'll have to go real gentle.
So you can see when they went for the blue, where is it? It's right there. Looks like they've gone at it with something like a sander on full spin just to give it a very, very early paint job. It's panning out then.
That's a bit too aggressive, that, isn't it?
You're aggressive.
That's what I have to deal with, don't you? Yeah, you can see the shadowing on that sea there, can't you? Oh yeah. We can stop now.
This is what it did look like. This is the other gate OVS. You can just see it there. Didn't even really pay attention to it. The end.